डिम्बो स्टैटिस्टिक्स में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज हमारे साथ एक खास मेहमान है, ऑर्को मोंडोल, आईएसएस 2021 ऑल इंडिया रैंकिंग सेकंड। भैया आपको हार्दिक स्वागत है डिम्बो स्टैटिस्टिक्स में और आपको हार्दिक बधाइयाँ आईएसएस 2021 क्रैक करने के लिए।
थैंक यू हृदय।
दादा आप अपने बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए।
मेरा स्कूलिंग था सर रामकृष्ण मिशन शिक्षा मंदिर से। फिर आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय ग्रेजुएशन इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स ऑनर्स फ्रॉम आशुतोष कॉलेज अंडर कैलकाटा यूनिवर्सिटी एंड देन आई हैव परस्यूड माय मास्टर्स इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स फ्रॉम कैलकाटा यूनिवर्सिटी आल्सो।
जो पहले दो पेपर है, जनरल इंग्लिश और जनरल स्टडीज, इन दोनों पेपर को लेके आपका अप्रोच क्या था और आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया?
Look, at first I will start with जनरल स्टडीज। जनरल स्टडीज एक ऐसा पेपर है जो 100 मार्क्स people can see the exam paper, but in interview it also has a huge impact. So मेरे ख्याल से one has to prepare it with a proper attention, and I have prepared GS in many ways, and there are multiple books available for history, geography, economy, polity. For my choice, I have taken Spectrum and Poonam Dara's book for history, NCERT 11 and 12 for geography. For economy, I have totally depend upon current affairs, and for polity, there was Lakshmikant's book. And I also had a few monthly magazines, and daily newspaper reading also helped me a lot. For English, there are vocabularies. Vocabularies I have practiced from Aryan book, and there are some idioms and error correction. For that, I have referred to JK and Chopra, JK Chopra book, and also essay writing, pressy writing. I have read about the previous year questions paper, and I have also practiced it from JK Chopra.
जनरल इंग्लिश और स्टडीज के बाद जो दो पेपर है, एमसीक्यू के पेपर्स है, जनरल स्टडीज स्टैटिस्टिक्स पेपर 1 और स्टडीज पेपर 2। एमसीक्यू को लेके आपका क्या अप्रोच था, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, प्रिपरेशन, बुक्स, उसका में हमें कुछ बताइए।
For MCQ, there are a lot of books. There is a basic concept. For me, I have actually compiled all those problems that I practiced in my preparation, so that just before the exam day, I can revise it thoroughly. So it was my proper strategy. And for time management, I have practiced previous year questions paper, so I have got an idea about how much time I actually require to complete all the questions, at least a number of questions.
जो पेपर 1 में जो न्यूमेरिकल न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस पार्ट है और जो कंप्यूटर पार्ट है और प्रोबेबिलिटी, उनके लिए आप हमें कुछ बुक सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं?
For numerical analysis, I have followed AC Saxena book, and for computer, there are three books available in market, I guess. The books written by Rima Thareja, Sinha, and E. Balaguru Swami. Actually, honestly, I have uh, at least read once all three books and made my own notes.
जो पेपर 2 है, उसमें सबका जो सवाल होता है कि जो हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग है, उनको मतलब सॉल्व पे आंसर कहाँ से मिले या उनके लिए कौन सा बुक प्रेफर करें? आप हमें उसका अनुसार से बताइए।
For hypothesis testing, look, there are a lot of books available, that much I can remember. And there is a basic book, which is the Fundamental of Statistics by Gupta Kapoor. And there is also Asela Varja and Rohan. And for solve, for example, I think the book written by Sahu, that is very good, nice.
ऑफिशियल स्टैटिस्टिक्स को लेके आपने कहाँ से प्रिपरेशन किया था?
For official statistics, Mosby website is there. So I have actually checked Mosby website daily and made my own notes. And for GDP related things, there are few videos available from Mosby channel in YouTube also. These are the main sources for my analysis.
मौसमी को लेके एक सवाल आता है कि लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है कि मौसमी क्या पढ़े और क्या नहीं पढ़े। आप अगर हमें थोड़ा सा अपने स्ट्रेटेजी बताएं कि आपने कैसे प्रिपरेशन किया था मौसमी वेबसाइट से, तो अच्छा होगा।
Um, yes, Mosby is a really vast topic uh, to cover all this. But if one goes through the previous year question paper, so one will have an idea what to read and what not to. Especially about us, uh, there is a section in about us in Mosby website. I think that must be it, and also the structure of Indian statistical system, which is very well described in Mosby website. I think that should also be highlighted while preparing.
जो एमसीक्यू के बाद हमारा जो नेक्स्ट पेपर्स है डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर, तो उनके लिए आपका अप्रोच कैसा था? आपने कैसे पूरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट किया? आपका वीक पॉइंट कौन सा था और आपका सबसे अच्छा पेपर कौन सा था?
हाँ, देखो मेरे ख्याल से in graduation one has to cover econometrics, at least some part of econometrics and sampling theory in total, I guess, almost total, and time series analysis. And for that, I will say if one is really clear about the concept, then I think it won't be that much problem. And for econometrics, I have followed two books basically. Yeah, there are other books also, but for my case, I have referred to books named Gustati and Matnani. And for sampling theory, I have referred some notes that which are available on internet and also my class notes and some books like written by Sampath and Cochrane, and these books are really good. And actually, I have made my own notes from all. For time series, I basically refer to our class note, that is Calcutta University MSc class, which was actually very good and very helpful to me. So these are the main resources for this paper three. And if you are talking about the strength and weakness, I think it is actually based on the preferences, which paper one likes and which paper one dislikes. For my case, I actually liked all these three. So I don't think there will be any such weak point.
बहुत लोगों का एक सवाल होता है कि सिलेबस बहुत ह्यूज है, अगर आता भी है तो एग्जाम हॉल में लिख के नहीं आ पाते हैं, तो एग्जाम हॉल में आपने टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे किया?
As everyone knows that yes, the topics are really very vast and time management is really an issue. So I would suggest that a time per question a ratio should be estimated beforehand, and that should be maintained in the exam hall. So one will have an idea that if one is getting late, I think this will be the strategy.
पेपर जो 4 है ऑप्शनल पेपर है हमारा, और उसमें 7 ऑप्शन है, तो आपने 7 में से कौन से चूज किए थे? कौन से 2?
Yes, I have opted for multivariate analysis and design of experiment.
तो आप हमें कुछ बुक सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं मल्टीमीडिया और डिजाइन के लिए?
For multivariate analysis, actually, there are a lot of books available. For my case, I have referred Johnson Wichem book, which is very good according to me based on the applied multivariate analysis. And for theoretical, I basically refer to our class notes in Calcutta University previous year's class notes. And for design, I have basically followed a fundamental of statistics and Montgomery. Also, Das and Guru books, I have taken it for references only.
एक सवाल आता है कि जो डिजाइन की जो न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स है बहुत ही लेंदी होते हैं, तो उनको आपने कैसे मतलब सॉल्व किया, कैसे टैकल किया?
I think it is all about practice. Practice makes one perfect. So if one practices really very well, I think it would be that.
एक सवाल है कि जो 7 पेपर में से कौन सा चूज करना चाहिए, मतलब चूज करने से पहले कि कौन कौन सी बातें हमें दिमाग में रखना चाहिए कि एक 2 सब्जेक्ट चूज करने से पहले?
It's totally based on the preferences. I don't think there is any such paper which is more scoring and which is less scoring. If one is really strong and very much confident about one paper, then I think one can really choose that paper.
ओके, तो सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड जितने सवाल थे वो तो करना हो गया। आपके लिए हमारे सब्सक्राइबर की कुछ सवाल थे, तो अब हम वो सवाल पूछेंगे आपसे। तो जो पहला सवाल था कि क्या पढ़ना चाहिए और क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, उसके लिए आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे?
देखो, UPSC is a very big spectrum. It's very really difficult to figure it out. So it totally based on one's ability what to skip, because if you skip one part, it is totally will be very much risky. So try to cover as much as one can.
आपने रिवीजन के लिए कितना दिन रखा था कि रिवीजन के लिए मुझे इतना टाइम चाहिए एग्जाम के लिए?
I think 3 weeks, I guess 3 weeks only for division.
तो
Most
अच्छा, ये आपका सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट है आई थिंक। तो आपका जो फर्स्ट टाइम में जो फेलियर था, उस आपने वो फेलियर को कैसे हैंडल किया?
I thought I was not fully prepared in my first attempt. So I just tried to figure out my weakness that I lack actually in my fast writing. So I tried to put enough effort to my preparation will bake this time. So it was the only thing that I wanted to focus during my preparation. As it is very difficult to handle failure. So I think one should not focus on the failure and one should focus on the better opportunity which can come in the next years.
इस साल के जो आईएसएस में 11 सीट थे, तो 11 सीट देख के आपके दिमाग में फर्स्ट थॉट क्या आया था? आप नर्वस थे? आपका मतलब कंपटीशन ज़्यादा है, तो आपका क्या फीलिंग था?
Basically, I felt very upset after seeing that there are only 11 seats this year. But I thought this was the uh, most important part of my UPSC journey because after that I have deactivated all my account and I mean all deactivated all my accounts in the social media and totally got dedicated to my preparation and fully motivated that I just wanted to make it happen. So it was and motivation for me. I
तो आपका मान लीजिए कोई आईएएस एस्पिरेंट आपका वीडियो देख रहा है, तो आपका उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस रहेगा?
I would advise that uh, stay motivated, avoid negative people, and try to be honest with your preparation and believe in yourself and never give up.
थैंक यू सो मच दादा फॉर दिस सच ए डिटेल इंटरव्यू। हम चाहेंगे कि आपके साथ दोबारा 2 साल बाद और एक इंटरव्यू करें लाइव एज एन आईएएस ऑफिसर। थैंक यू सो मच।
Welcome.